There are 39 trillion cells inside the human body, that is, 39 quadrillion cells. Whereas a 10-year-old child has 17 trillion cells. Scientists say that each cell contains 46 chromosomes, and each chromosome has 2 DNA strands. Inside the DNA is a thread, and the length of this thread is 6 feet. Now, if we were to line up all the DNA from a human cell straight on the ground, according to my calculator, its length would be 60 trillion feet or 10 billion kilometers. 10 billion kilometers. This distance is more than 70 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. The Sun is approximately 149 million kilometers away from Earth. The total length of the DNA threads from all these cells is 10 billion kilometers. Spacecrafts traveling at 885 kilometers per hour would take about 19 years to reach the Sun, while spacecrafts traveling at 96 kilometers per hour would take 177 years. A modern supersonic plane, traveling 8 times the speed of sound, would cover this distance in 150 years. Despite such a great length, it occupies a very small space. Electronic designers pack many things in one place on a circuit and then connect them through a computer. Sometimes, even a tiny drop of water can disrupt the entire circuit. Meanwhile, these 39 trillion cells are constantly swimming in water 24 hours a day, always in contact with each other. The point is that our Lord is also a great software engineer, as he has installed complete software in every cell of every human. Each cell's DNA in our body takes up about 3 gigabytes of space. 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion bytes. Thinking about this is enough to make one's mind stop functioning. There is no doubt that the creator of this universe is incredibly great, for he has designed an astonishing network inside a 5-foot-tall human, which we cannot even see without a microscope. I believe, rather I am certain, that all the resources on Earth would be insufficient to write down all the information in a human's cells. That's why the creator of the universe says in Surah Luqman, Ayah 27, if all the trees on Earth were pens and the sea, with 7 more seas to help it, were ink, the words of Allah would not be exhausted. Indeed, Allah is exalted in might and wise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.